Hi children, today we are going to discuss about very basic concept in mathematics, numbers and types of numbers. So first one, what is the numbers? So number is used for the count. Number is used for count. For example, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are all numbers only. So here we are going to discuss types of numbers. So there are many types of numbers are there. So one by one we'll discuss. So first one is natural numbers. Natural numbers. The numbers start from 1. The numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. So it is called natural number. And it's denoted by capital N. Capital N. So we can write in this one. Capital N is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here smallest natural number is 1 and greatest natural number is not defined. We can't define greatest. Not defined. So next one is whole numbers. So the numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on is called whole number. It is denoted by capital W. So we can write capital W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here smallest whole number is equal to 0 and greatest whole numbers is not defined. So we can't define the greatest one. So third one, integers. So what is the definition of integers? All positive numbers comma negative numbers along with 0 is called integer. It is denoted by capital Z or I. So Z or I equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So here there are types are there. So types of integers. So in that there are few types are there. For example, if you consider 1, 2, 3 and so on. So these integers are called positive integers. which is represented by z plus, and -3, -2, -1 is called negative integers. Negative integer, which is represented by z minus. So you can remember, minus means negative, z means integer, so negative integer. So plus means positive, z means integer, so positive. Like that you can remember easily. So next one, 0 and positive numbers. So this is called non-negative. So non-negative integers. So this we can denoted by whole numbers, nothing but. So how to remember? No negative. So here there is no negative and along with 0. So it is called non-negative. And -3, -2, -1, 0. Non-positive integers. Non-positive integer. No positive. You can see here there is no positive along with 0. So this is comes under the types of integers. So next one, fractions. So before going to the depth, still so many types of numbers are there. In that, now I'm going to discuss about even numbers. Even numbers. So what are the even numbers? Which number is exactly divisible by? Is exactly divisible by 2. That means remainder is 0. So exactly divisible in the sense remainder is 0. Then it is called, then the number is called even number. Or one more definition also we have. The number end with means unit digit. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then already it is called as even numbers. So example you can see 12 is there, 2 is end with this 12 is end with 2. So it is a even. For example, I am taking 24. 24 is I am dividing with 2. So 2 ones are 2. 0, 4 you can carry down. 2 twos are 4, 0. So remainder is 0. So 24 is even number. Next, odd number. So same, opposite. Here which numbers are divisible by 2 na even number na, here not divisible, that's it. Which numbers are not divisible by 2 is called, or that is remainder is 1. Not divisible means you'll get remainder 1. Then it is called odd number. Or the number end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is called odd numbers. So example if you want to check, I am taking 257. I am checking it is divisible by 2 or not. So 2 times 1 time 2, so 5, here 0, 2 2s are 4, here 1, so 7 you can carry down. So 2 8s are 16, so 1. So here remainder is 1. So it is not divisible by 2. So 257 is odd number. So also you can check now, this number end with 7. See here, this number end with 7. Also you can write one more reason. 257 end with 7. Therefore it is odd number. So in an MCQ we can check in this manner. In descriptive you can write in this manner. So next one. So here onwards very important types of numbers. Prime number. Prime number. Very important for basics of the student. In 6th class onward. 5th class, 6th class onwards. Till 10th also. So what is a prime number? In 10th also prime number concept is there. So what is a prime number? Which number having only two factors, that is 1 and number itself. So that is called prime number. For example, I am taking 2. So factors of 2. What is a factor means what? Which numbers and all divides exactly. So factors of 2 means 1 table and 2 tables. So only 2 factors. So the number which have only the 2 factors, 1 and number itself. So 1 and given number is what? 2. So number itself. So then it is a prime number. So 2 here is a prime number. So next one, composite number. Only 2 factors na prime number. Here a number, which number having more than 2 factors, or you can use this 2 factors. So for example I am taking 4. So factors of 4. So 1 table is divides, 2 table also, and 4 table. Here if you see more than 2 factors, these keywords you remember. Children, remember these keywords alone. So more than 2 factors. So these are the keywords. More than 2 factors. So this, if you remember these keywords, is enough. So therefore 4 is a what? Composite number. So but what is a 1? Very important question. Then 1 is a neither prime nor composite. Very important question. Bit this one. Neither prime nor composite. Because if you see factors of 1 means what? So for example 1 I am writing. Factors of 1 means only 1 table only. There is no other number which exactly divides 1. So only 1 factor only. There is no other number. So that's why it is neither prime nor composite. Means there is no two factors, not more than two. So that's why one is neither prime nor composite. This is the explanation for why one is a neither prime nor composite. Okay, children. So clear. So factor of one is one only. So according to this condition, prime and composite more than two or only two other factors. So here only one factor. So that's why it is not a neither prime nor composite. So here few questions will arise here. Few questions. So what is it? So dash or dash, or you can write which number is neither prime nor composite. So what is the answer? So answer is 1. Next, least prime number is equal to 2. Next, least even prime number so that is also 2 only. So prime number start from 12 to prime number start from 2. Also it is even, so that's why least even. Next, least composite number 4. So composite number start from 4. For example, if I take 1 to 10 numbers, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here we can identify what is a prime. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number because only 2 factor, 5 is a prime number. Next, 7 is a prime number, 7 into 1 only 2. That's it. So these are all prime numbers. So here 2 3 5 7 are prime numbers. Next, composite we can highlight now. So 4 is a composite, least composite. 6 8 9 and 10. So 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10 are composite numbers. Next, what about 1? 1 is a neither prime nor composite, different one. So 1 is a neither prime nor composite. So this is how we have to check the number, whatever it is, which is prime or composite. But we have only one number which is neither prime nor composite, which is only this number only. We have only one. Okay, in exam how they will ask questions. Now for example, I am taking from 1 to 10 number of primes. How many? So there are 4 primes are there. So 4. Number of composite or composite numbers. So there are 5 composite numbers are there. So number of neither prime nor composite, only one. So like that they can ask from 1 to 10, they can ask, or 1 to 50 they can ask. So like this way, 1 to 50 they can ask, or 1 to 100 also they will ask. 1 to 100, these three questions they can ask. Number of primes, number of composite, number neither prime, only one only. If you take any number 1 to infinite, any number. But up to 5th and 6th class students, these are very important. How many primes are there, how many composite numbers are there. So if people just you try it, if you people are not getting, next class I will explain this how many are there. So like this I will write the all numbers, then I will identify the what is a prime, what is a composite. Your composite. Okay childrens, clear? Next, so within more two more are there, so I will see that one. Next, twin prime. Twin prime, very important. Difference between two prime numbers. Difference between two prime numbers. Prime numbers is 2. Then it is called twin prime. For example, 3 comma 5. 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime. So this difference is what? 2. This difference is what? 2. Next, 5 comma 7. So this difference also 2. Like that we can write many things. 11 comma 13. This difference also 2 only. So, but you have to select here only prime numbers. You should select only prime number. Only prime you should select. Which difference is 2. Next, coprime, or one more word for this, relatively prime. Relatively prime. Relatively prime. So what is this? Which number? So you take any two numbers. Two numbers said to be coprime na, their HCF must be 1. So HCF must be 1. Then it is called what? Coprime or relatively prime. For example, here 2 comma 3 I am taking. So HCF of, for example, factors you write. Factors of 2. So 1 comma 2. Factors of 3. 1 comma 3. So HCF, highest common factor 1. So therefore 2 comma 3 are called coprime. Coprime. In twin prime, if you observe, we taken only the prime number. Okay children, but here there is no restrictions. You take two prime numbers, you take, for example, this if you take these two are what? Prime. For example, I am taking another one which is 3 comma 4 I am taking. This HCF also what? 1 only. Next I am taking one more example, 8 comma 9. This HCF is what? 1 only. So these are 1 composite, 1 prime. This is 2 composite. Here there is no restrictions. You can take any number, but HCF must be 1. There are 3 cases here. 2 prime numbers, 1 prime, 1 composite, 2 composite. Clear children? So this concept is very important, even 10th point of view also. 10th class MCQ also they will ask what is relatively prime, what is coprime. Okay children, clear? So this is the basic class about the types of numbers. So if you see one chart, what are the types of numbers are there? Means here I am writing types of numbers. So what we discuss, if you see one chart view, so first we discuss the natural numbers. We discussed natural numbers. We discuss, this is overview, review, or you can call it as a review what we discussed till now. Natural numbers, whole numbers, whole numbers. So next one, integers we discuss. Integer we discuss. In that types, positive integers, negative integers we discuss. Negative integers. Next, non-negative we discuss. Next, non-positive. Non-positive discussed. So next we discuss that odd number and even number. Even number, odd numbers. So next one, prime number, prime number, and composite number. Composite number. So in that also types we discussed. Prime number, twin prime, coprime, or relatively prime. So these are the points we covered in this video. Okay, so just to go through that. So if you have any doubts now, you can message, you can reply. I will clarify your doubts in the next class. So this is the first video from my side. So like this videos you want, no? So just give me reply like symbols. So then I will continue like this videos, like a 6th standard, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, any basic based on the concept, which any class, like CBSE point of view or JE point of view. So I will also from end what is the content. So definitely I'll provide 100%. So here, so this is the first time I'm doing this video. So if you have any concern or any doubts, want to if I want to continue this videos, no, you can just reply me. Okay, so thank you children, hope you this video useful for you. So we'll see the next session upcome, another video continuation of. Thank you. Bye.